Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home, yet it's often overlooked, until a problem becomes too big to ignore. For homeowners in Rochester Hills, where seasonal weather changes can take a toll on exterior structures, recognizing the early signs of roofing wear can save you time, money, and stress. By catching issues early, you can avoid costly repairs and extend the life of your roof. One of the first signs to watch for is missing or damaged shingles. Shingles act as your roof's first line of defense against the elements. Over time, exposure to wind, rain, and temperature fluctuations can cause them to crack, curl, or fall off entirely. If you notice uneven patches or shingles in your yard after a storm, it's a clear indication that your roof needs attention. Another common early warning sign is granule loss. Asphalt shingles are coated with granules that help protect against UV rays and improve durability. As your roof ages, these granules may begin to wear off and collect in your gutters or downspouts. If you see a buildup of gritty material in these areas, it could mean your shingles are deteriorating and losing their effectiveness. Water stains on ceilings or walls are a more visible sign that your roof may already be compromised. Even small leaks can lead to discoloration, peeling paint, or bubbling drywall inside your home. These issues often start small but can quickly escalate if moisture continues to seep in. Addressing leaks early can prevent structural damage and mold growth. Speaking of moisture, mold or mildew growth is another indicator of roofing problems. Excess moisture trapped in your attic or roof structure can create the perfect environment for mold to develop. This not only affects your home's structure but can also impact indoor air quality. Regular attic inspections can help you catch these issues before they spread. Homeowners should also pay attention to sagging areas on the roof. A sagging roofline may indicate underlying structural issues, such as weakened decking or prolonged water damage. This is a more serious concern that requires immediate professional evaluation, as it can compromise the safety of your entire home. Higher energy bills can also signal roofing wear. If your roof is no longer providing proper insulation or ventilation, your heating and cooling systems may have to work harder to maintain indoor comfort. Poor ventilation can trap heat in the summer and allow warmth to escape in the winter, leading to increased energy costs. Another subtle but important sign is damaged flashing. Flashing is used around chimneys, vents, and other roof penetrations to prevent water from entering. If it becomes loose, cracked, or corroded, it can create entry points for water. Regularly checking these areas can help you spot potential leaks early. Don't forget to look at your roof from the outside as well. Discoloration or dark streaks may indicate algae growth or moisture retention. While this may seem like a cosmetic issue, it can sometimes signal deeper problems with drainage or ventilation that should be addressed. For homeowners in Rochester Hills, seasonal changes, from heavy snow in winter to rain and humidity in warmer months, can accelerate roof wear. That's why routine inspections, especially after severe weather, are essential. Even if everything appears fine from the ground, a professional inspection can uncover hidden issues before they turn into major repairs. Ultimately, staying proactive is the key to protecting your home. By recognizing these early signs of roofing wear, you can take action before small problems become costly headaches. Whether it's replacing a few shingles or addressing ventilation concerns, timely maintenance ensures your roof continues to protect your home and family. If you're unsure about your roof's condition, consulting a trusted roofing professional can give you peace of mind. A well-maintained roof not only safeguards your home but also preserves its value and comfort for years to come.